Hello friends, welcome to Time Online Session. In today's session, we discuss SSC CGL Tier 1 All India Mock Test. There is a reference number is AIMT 2502301. In that we discuss General Intelligence and Reasoning section. General Intelligence and Reasoning section. Okay. Now, we see the first question. Select the option that is related to third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. Now, here what is saying? Select the option that is related to third number in the same way the second number is related to the first number. Now, the second number that is 5832. Now, 20. Now, 5832 is it's a perfect cube of 18. So 18 cube is 5832. Now 20, 18. What's the relation means? 18 can be expressed as 20 minus 2. Similarly, third number is 24. So what would be the fourth number means? 24 minus 2 whole cube is nothing but 22 cube. And as we know that 22 cube is 10648. That is choice 3. What's the logic is? 20, 18 cube. 20, 18 cube. So 24 is related to 22 cube. Okay. Next. Now see the next question. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to first letter cluster. So first we'll find the relationship between first letter cluster and the second letter cluster. Okay. Now, what's the first letter cluster? Or UX. The second letter cluster is TXB. Now, first we'll write down the place values. So, OR place value is 18. U place value 21, X place value 24, and the T place value is 20, X place value 24, and the B place value is 2, or else we can express it as a 28 also. Alphabets always arranged in cyclic order. That is, after X, Y, Z, that is 24, 25, 26, again they start with A, B, C. Alphabets always arranged in cyclic order, that is 27, 28, 29. So that I can express B as a 28. Now see the relationship between first cluster to second cluster, 18 to 20, it was increased by 2. And for U to X, it is plus 3. X to B, that is plus 4. Increasing by natural numbers. By applying the same logic, EIM, third letter cluster, that is the place values for E place value is 5, I place value 9, M place value 13. By applying the same logic, similarly we are going to get plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. That is E plus 2 is 7, that is G, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 is L, and 13 plus 4, 17, 17 is Q. So the fourth cluster is GLQ, that is in choice 2. Choice 2. Next, we see the next question. If A denotes subtraction, B denotes division, C denotes addition, and D denotes multiplication, then what will be the value of following expression? So for A to D letters, he assigns some mathematical operations. That is, A is denoted with subtraction and B is denoted with division, C is denoted as addition, and D multiplication. And the given expression is 50. The given expression is 50 A 25 bracket C 4 D 5 B 8 C 2 A 5 C bracket 42 D bracket 49 B 7 bracket close. Now first we'll replace the letters with the mathematical operations. That means 50 A denotes subtraction, so 50 minus 25. C denotes addition 4 and D denotes multiplication 5 and B denotes division bracket open 8. C denotes addition 2. A denotes subtraction 5 bracket close. Again C represents addition bracket open 42 and D denotes multiplication bracket open 49 and B represents division 7 bracket close bracket close. And we'll solve this question by using the Bodmas rule. We'll solve this question by using the Bodmas rule. B stands for brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. And we have to solve in the same order. So first we have to solve the values whatever were in the brackets. So first 50 minus 25 is 25 plus 4 into 5 division. And what I'm going to 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 5, 5 plus bracket open 42 into 49 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Next 25 plus 4 into 5 divided by 5 plus 42 9s are 294. 42 7s are 294. Now we solve the brackets one. Next of. We don't have anywhere of. Next we have to solve the division. That is 25 plus 4 into 5 divided by 5 is 1 plus 294. Then next we solve the multiplication. That is 25 plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 294. Then we have only one mathematical operation, that is addition. So 25 plus 4, that is 29. 29 plus 294 is 323. 323. That is in choice 4. That is in choice 4. Now we see the next question. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in an English dictionary order. Now, English dictionary order is nothing but alphabetical order. Okay, here what is asking? Arrange the 5 words in the English dictionary order. Is nothing but alphabetical order. What are the given 5 words? Radiation, radical, radiant, radical, radar. Okay, now if you observe the 5 words, in 5 words the first 3 letters were R, A, D. In all the 5 words the first 3 letters were the same. So when we arrange them in English alphabetical order, I am going to get the same thing. The first 3 letters were R, A, D. Now compare the 4th letter. Now what's the 4th letter we have in radiation? I. In radical, I. Radiant, I. Radical, I. That means in 4 words we have I. And the 5th one, the 4th letter is A. So as per English alphabetical order, first we have to get A. Then next you will be going to get I. So the first word as per the alphabetical order will be radar. So is a 5. The first word is radar. Now I can eliminate the choice 1 as well as the choice 4. Okay, the first one should be the radar, that is 5. In choice 2 or choice 3 should be the choice. Now we'll see. Then next. Now see the fourth. If you observe the remaining 4 words, the fourth letter is I. So it will be the common. Now compare the fifth letter. What's the fifth letter we have in radiation? A. In radical, C. Next, radian, A. C. That means A. The second word should be RADIA. The third one is also RADIA. The last two should be C, C. When you arrange them in English alphabetical order. Then next, now compare the. Now see, if you observe the last two one, either it should be radical or radical. If you observe radical or radical, what is the sixth letter we have? A and E. When we say in English alphabetical order, first we have to get A, that is radical. The last one should be radical, that is 2, 4. So starting with 5 and ending with 2 and 4. In which choice we have? That is in choice 3. Choice 3. Now, see the next question. In a certain code language, Cambridge is written as X, Z, N, Y, I, or W, T, Y. How will advanced be written in that language? Now, it's a coding and decoding question. The given word is Cambridge. Cambridge. And the code is X, Z, N, Y, I, or W, T, V. If you observe word and code, there is C is coded as X, A is coded as Z, M is coded as N. All these were the opposite letters. Opposite letters. Opposite pair means sum of the place values of two letters. Sum of the place values of two letters is equal to 27. Is equal to 27. See, C place value is 3, X place value is 4. Sum will be 27. So these are the opposite pairs. These are the opposite pairs. By implementing the same logic for the given word, that is advanced. The given word is advanced. The code is A opposite letter is Z, D opposite letter is W, V, E, A, Z, N, M, C, X, E opposite letter V, and D opposite letter W. So what's the code for advanced means? ZWE, ZMX, VW. In which choice we have? That is in choice 3. ZWA, ZM, X, VW. So what's the logic means? Opposite letters. Those are coded with the opposite letters. Now we see the next question. The ratio of the sum and difference between two numbers is 8:3. Find the ratio of these two numbers. So here is asking the ratio of these two numbers, and he gave the ratio of the sum and difference between the two numbers. See, directly we can solve this question. That is, the ratio of two numbers is, what's the given ratio? 8:3. That is sum and the difference. Now directly we can say that is 8 plus 3 by 8 minus 3. It's nothing but 11 by 5. So what is the ratio of the two numbers is 11:5. That is choice 3. Now we see the next question. Blood relation with symbols. P hash Q means P is the sister of Q. P dollar Q means P is the father of Q. P at the rate Q means P is the wife of Q. P percentile Q means P is the brother of Q. Which of the following options means E is the mother of L? Now, here is asking among the 4 choices, in which choice E is the mother of L? Now, E is the mother means E should be a female. Okay, E should be a female. Now, if you see the first choice, what is it? B at the rate E, E percentile L, L dollar F, F hash U. Now, with respect to E, what's the symbol you use? E percentile L. Percentile means P is the brother of Q. Is nothing but in this case, what I am going to get? E is the brother of L. E is the brother means E is a male person. But as per given condition, E should be the mother. Now, directly I can eliminate the choice 1. No need to draw the tree diagram also. Now see the second one. Here E is at the end position, so we cannot assume it. In the third option, E dollar L. Here we have E dollar L. Dollar means P is the father of Q. That means E is the father of Q. Again, in this case, I am getting E as a father means he is a male person. But as per given statement, E should be the mother of L. So I can eliminate choice 3 also. I can eliminate choice 3 also. Now among choice 2 or 4, here answer is there. Now see, we'll draw the diagram for choice 2. What is it? B at the rate U. At the rate means wife. That is B is the wife of U. That is B and U were the couple and U is a male person. U dollar L. Dollar means father. So U is the father of L. Is nothing but L is the child of B and U. I don't know the gender of L. Next, L percentile F. Percentile means L is the brother of F. See here. Here I can eliminate the choice 2. Why? Because what is asking in the question? E is the mother of L. But in the second choice, who is the mother of L? B is the mother. How can I get E as the mother of L in choice 2? So that I can eliminate choice 2 directly. So choice 4 will be the answer. Now we'll draw the tree diagram for choice 4. E at the rate B means E is the at the rate means wife. E is the wife of B. So B is a husband of E. These two are the married couple. Next, B at the rate L. At the rate means B is the father of L. B is the father of L. Yes. In this case, I can say that E is the mother of L. So choice 4 is your answer. Now, 8th one. In a certain code language, "Are you packed?" is written as 236. "We are all done" is written as 2415. And "she is all packed" is written as 5706. How will you be written in that language? No. The given sentence "Are you packed?" is written as 236. I wrote the same thing here. Now I am labeling the numbers here. Let us assume this is a 1, this is 2, and this is 3. If you compare 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, what's the common word we have? Packed. From 1 and 3, packed is common. And in code, what's the common code we have? That is 6. So from 1 and 3, what we can say? Packed is coded as 6. Okay. The next. Now by comparing 1 and 2, in 1 and 2, what's the common we have? Or. In 1 and 2, what's the common? Or. And in code, what's the common we have in 1 and 2? 2 is common. In 1 and 2, or is common, and in code 2 is common. So from this we can say that or is coded as 2. Now N1. What's the remaining one? U is the remaining. In code, 3 is remaining. Now what is asking in question? How will U be written in the language? So U is coded as 3. In line 1, only U is remaining and is coded as 3. So choice 2. No need to solve the remaining set. What is asking here? U. So U is coded as 3. Okay. Now see the next set now. Deductions. The following question consists of 2 statements followed by 2 conclusions marked 1 and 2. Consider the statements to be true even though they seem to be variants with the commonly known facts, and find out which of the given conclusions logically follows the statements. Disregarding the commonly known facts and give your answer choice as. So here give 2 statements, and among the 2 conclusions, which of the conclusion logically follows? Now we have to identify. Now, what's the statement? All wood or board. Means wood should be inside and board should be outside. All wood or board. Next, some wood or chisel. Some wood or chisel. Now what's the conclusion one? Some wood or not board. It's a negative conclusion. Some wood or not board. But what's the given statement here? All wood or board. That means the negative conclusion does not follows. Here all wood or board. So some wood or not wood would be the does not follows. Next, conclusion 2. Some chisel or board. Yes, I have some intersection between board and chisel. I have some intersection between some chisel or board. It's affirmative conclusion logically follows. Hence only 2 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. That is choice 2. Choice 2. See the next question. Now, select the letter from among the given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. So it's a letter series. What are the given letters? B, H, E, and N. Sorry. B, H, E, and N. I'm writing the same. Now, first write down their place values. That is B place value is 2, H place value 8, E place value 5, N place value 14, N place value is 14. Now, if you observe the difference alternatively, that is B to E plus 3, H to N 8 to 14, that is plus 6, and E to 14 plus 9. If you observe, those are multiple of 3, consecutive multiple of 3, that is 3, 6, 9. So what would be the next difference? Should be 12. 14 plus 12 is 26, that is Z. So 12th letter from the letter N is Z. So what's the missing letter in the series is Z. Choice 3. Choice 3. So alternately difference is multiple of 3's. Now see the next question. 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in one manner and 1 is different. Select the different letter cluster. So the odd one. Asking among the 4 choices, which letter cluster is the odd one. Now see, IRKF, MNQL, BYJU, EVTF. If you observe 4 letter clusters, the first 2 letters are the opposite pairs. The first 2 letters were the opposite pairs. that is E opposite pair is or M opposite pair is and B opposite pair is Y and E's opposite pair is V. And if you see the third and fourth letter, K place value is 11, F place value is 6. So the difference between them is 5. Difference between the third and fourth letter is 5. In choice 2, Q place value is 7, L place value is 12. Difference between them is 5. And third letter cluster, Z is 26, U is 21. The difference between the third and fourth letter is 5. In the choice 4, T place value 20, M place value is 13 and the difference is 7. Except EVTM, in remaining all, third and fourth letter difference is 5. Whereas in choice 4, the difference is 4. So choice 4 is your odd one out. Now see the next question. Select the letter cluster from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now, so in each set we have 4 letters. Compare first letter to first letter in each set, that is H to E, E to B, B to Y. I am writing the first letters of each set, that is H, E, B, Y. First letters. So write down the place values. H place value is 8, E place value 5, B place value 2 and Y place value is 28. Now B to E, what's the difference? Say 3. A to B, difference is 3. And B to Y, difference is 3. Sorry, Y place value is 25. B place value is 28. We can express B as a 2 or a 28. So 28 minus 3, 25. So what's the missing letter here? What's the next letter? Y minus 3, that is 25 minus 3 is 22 and 22 is V. Now the first letter should be V. If you observe, in only choice 1 and choice 2 starting with V here. So I can eliminate choice 3 and choice 4. And if you observe both the choices 1 and 2, the second letter is also V. No need to find out, but we'll discuss it now. So the second letters were F, J, N, or. That is 6, 10, 14, 18. If you observe, every time it was increased by 4. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18 and 18 plus 4, 22. So 22 is nothing but V. So second letter is V. Now see third letter. Third letters are S, N, I, D. So N place value is 19. Sorry, S place value is 19. N place value is 14. I place value 9. D place value is 4. If you observe, every time it was decreasing by 5 now. 19 minus 5, 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Now D can be expressed as either 4 or 30. Now 30 minus 5, 25. 25 is nothing but the place value of Y. So what's the third letter? Y. Now in which choice we have V, V, Y? That is in choice 1. Now directly I can say it as a choice 1. That is V, V, Y, H. So what's the missing letter cluster means? V, V, Y, H. Now see the next question. 8 persons K through R are sitting in 2 lines of 4 persons each. Both the lines are facing each other. Now, what is saying here? There are total 8 persons sitting in 2 lines. They are sitting in 2 lines and in each line 4 persons. Okay? And both the lines are facing each other. Each other means, see, as per given condition, what is that? There are 2 lines and in each line 4 people are sitting. And they are facing each other means the row 1 should face north direction and the row 2 should face the south direction. Then only the people will be facing each other. Okay? Sorry. No. So facing north means this is the left hand and this is the right hand. And facing south means this is the right hand and this is the left hand and this is the right hand. Okay? Now see the points. K is facing N. I don't know where should I place K. Either K is facing the south or a north. I don't know. Okay? O is sitting immediate left of Q. R is to the immediate right of L. M is facing Q. See, now we don't have any information directly. We cannot place them. Okay? Now see the next. L is to the immediate right of the person who is facing Q. So from this point what we can say? Q's opposite person's immediate right should be L. Now here I am going to get two cases. In case 1, let us assume that Q is facing north. Q is facing north. What is it? L is to the immediate right of the person who is facing Q. So Q's opposite person's immediate right is L. L is sitting immediate right of the person who is facing Q. In other case, that is in case 2, consider Q is facing south direction. Okay. Now what is it? Q's opposite immediate right should be L. These are the two cases I am going to get. Okay. Now say, do you have any link points? What is the next one? M is facing the Q. So M opposite Q. M is facing Q. M opposite Q. Next what is it? R is to the immediate right of L. R is to the immediate right of L. L immediate right R. R is to the immediate right of L. Next what is it? O is to the immediate left of Q. O is to the immediate left of Q. O is to the immediate left of Q. So O sits opposite to L. In both the cases, O sits opposite to L. Next. K is facing N. I don't know. Either it may be right of or left of M. I don't know. But last what we have, N is to the immediate left of P. N is to the immediate left of P. Is nothing but these two are the adjacent person. If you observe in case 1, in row 2, it is not possible to place the 2 persons. Why? Because in each row, 4 people should be there. Already 3 people were arranged. So 2 more people means it is possible in row 1. And what is that? N sits immediate left of P. So P is immediate left N. And as we know earlier that K is facing N. So K is facing N. In the second case, it is not possible to place P and N in row 1. Why? Because already 3 people were arranged. So it should be in row 2. And what is that? N is to the immediate left of P. So P is immediate left N. And as we know that N opposite K should be there. So these are the 2 cases we are going to get. Okay. 2 were the correct itself. Now what is asked here? Which 4 persons are sitting in same line? Which 4 persons are sitting in same line? Now see, K, O, Q, P. No, K and O are sitting in opposite row. So first one is not possible. K, L, M, R. Yes, K, L, M, R. K, L, M, R. Yes. So choice 2. K, L, M, R were sitting in the same line. Choice 2. Now, we'll see the next question. In a certain code language, German is coded as 33, 39, 336. Arnav is coded as 354, 42, 366. How is Thakur coded in that language? Now see, what's the given word? Given word is German. J, A, M, A, L. And it's coded as 33, 39, 336. Now write down the place values. J place value is 10, A place value 1, M place value 13, A place value 1, L place value 12. If you observe, The code is 30 and j place value is 10. It is nothing but 3 times of the place value of j. A place value is 1. 3 times is 3. 13 3s are 39. 1 3s are 3. 12 3s are 36. Is nothing but 3 times of the place value of the letter. What's the logic is? 3 times of the place value of the letter. Now he's asking the code for Thakur. T-H-A-K-U-R. Now T place value is 20, H place value 8, A1, K11, U21 or 18. So into 3, 23 is a 60, 8 3 is a 24, 1 3 is a 3, 11 3 is a 33, 21 3 is a that is 63 and 18 3 is a 54. So Thakur is coded as 60, 24, 3, 33, 63, 54. So which among the following options? That is choice 4. 60, 24, 3, 33, 63, 54. So Thakur is coded as 60, 24, 3, 33, 63, 54. Is it choice 4? Now we'll see the next question. Select the number from among the given options that can replace a question mark in the following series. Sorry. So what's the given numbers? 8, 17, 42, 95, 252, and what's the missing number? Now, what's the difference between 8 to 17? It was increased by 9. 17 to 42 increased by 25. 42 to 95 increased by 53. 95 to 252, that is 157. 9, 25, 53, 157. Not a perfect square, perfect cube. No, those are not the direct numbers. If you observe 53 to double difference, 53 to 157, roughly 3 times. 53 3s are 159. How much we have to deduct? 2. So 53 3s are 159 minus 2 is 157. Yes, done. Next, 25 to 53, something around twice. 25 3s are 50. How much we are pending? 3. 25 3s are 50. 50 plus 3, 53. Then 9 to 25, 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 2, 25. So alternately multiplying by 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 2. So next should be into 2 plus 3. 157 2s are, that is 314. 314 plus 3, 317. So next difference is 317. So 252 plus 317, that is 569. So what's the missing number? It's 569. That is choice 2. Choice 2. Now see the next question. Which of the following two signs should be interchanged to make the equation correct? So in the given expression, among the choices, by using which two signs we should interchange to make the expression equal to 60. Now see now what's the given expression? That is 16 minus 216 into 18 divided by 3 plus 80 equal to 60. Now by using the choice 1, in choice 1 plus and addition and subtraction we have to interchange. That means after interchanging, the expression will be 16 plus 216 into 18 divided by 3 minus 80. Now by using the both mass we have to solve this expression. Now here we don't have any brackets of, we have division, that is 16 plus 216 into 18 by 3 minus 80. Now 3 1s are 3 6s are 216 into 6 is, I am going to get something around 1200 change. Okay, 200 into 6, 1200, but it should be equal to 60, which is not possible. So choice 1 won't be your choice. Now second choice, So here product and division we have to interchange. So after interchanging the product and division, we get 16 minus 216. Product should be interchanged with division 18, and division should be interchanged with the product 3 plus 80. No, 16 minus 216 divided by 18 into 3 plus 80. Now first we have to solve division, that is 18 ones are 18, 36 are, so 12s are 18 ones are 18, 12s are 216, and 12 threes are 36. It's nothing but 16 minus 36 plus 80. So 16 minus 36 is minus 20 plus 80, which is equal to 60. Yes, hence choice 2. Now we see the next question. Select the figure from the given options that can replace the question mark. Now, by observing the problem figure, we can say that from one frame to another frame, the entire set of elements moved by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. See here, the entire set of elements moved by 45 degrees in clockwise direction from one frame to another frame, and the bottom element moves to the first position, and all the remaining elements moves to the next position. See now, from first frame to second frame, the triangle is a bottommost figure. It moves to the first position, and the remaining figures were moved one position next. The same way, from second frame to third frame, the set of elements moved 45 degrees in clockwise direction, and the bottommost figure, that is circle, moves to the first position, and the remaining elements moves next. By implementing the same logic, the set element should be in horizontal. After rotating 45 degrees, it should be horizontal, and the pentagon should move to the first position. That means at the right end, we should have the pentagon. The remaining element should move one step next. The next should be circle, the next triangle, the next trapezium, the next cylinder. So this should be the next figure in the set mark. So in which option we have? The first one is pentagon, circle, triangle, trapezium, cylinder. Yes, all were satisfied. So the question mark should be replaced with the choice 1. Let's see the next question. Select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now, the given expression is 3, 3, 9, 4, 45, 10, 35, 33, 2835, missing number 31185. Now, this is an alternative series. That is 3 to 9. If you observe 3 to 9, it is 3 times. And 9 to 45, 5 times. And 45 to 315, it is 7 times. And 315 to 2835, 9 times. And 2835 to 31185, say 11 times. Product of odd numbers. Okay, then next. 3 to 4. The logic is 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Next, 4 to 10. 4 twos are 10. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 to 33. Into 3 plus 3. 10 threes are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Next, into 4 plus 4. 33 fours are 132, 132 plus 4, 136. So what's the missing number in the series means? 136. It's an alternative series one. No. Next question. Select the correct water image of the given combination. So asking the water image for the given combination. That is 74351 SPG. So the water image for 7 is 7, and the 4 water image, and 3 will be somewhat similar, and the 5 water image 1, and the S water image will be the P water image, and the P water image will be this P water image, and the G's water image. This is a water image for the given combination. Okay, in which option 7 is not it? First one is not your choice. 7-1 will be 7-4 as the choice 2 will be the water image for the given combination. Now see the next question. Select the option that is embedded in the given figure. Select the option that is embedded in the given figure. So choice 1, the cross mark, it won't be the embedded. The second one also no. Third one, as it is embedded. Choice 3 is embedded in the given figure mark. That is, this is a part. So here we have the choice 3 which was embedded. So here the choice 3. So choice 3 is embedded in the given figure. The next question mark. 3 different positions of the same dice are shown. 6 faces of the dice are numbered from 1 to 6. Study the same and identify which of the following statement is correct. Now see, these are the given 3 dice. The same die was shown in the 3 different positions. Okay. Now, if you observe in all the 3, the 2 is a common. Okay. Now, from this, what we can say? If you see the first figure, 2 adjacent. What are 2 adjacent? 1 and 3. From second figure, what we can say? 1 and 5. Already 5 we wrote. So 5. So 1 already we wrote. So 5 is also adjacent to 2. In the third figure, 2 adjacent 6. So out of the 6 numbers, that is 1 to 6, 1, 3, 5, 6 were the adjacent to 2. The remaining number is 4. So 2 opposite will be the 4. For any number, there will be 4 adjacent numbers and 1 opposite number. By comparing these 3 dice, what we can say is that 1, 3, 5, 6 are the adjacent to 2, and the remaining number 4, 2 is opposite to 4. That is choice 1. Choice 1. Next, select the Venn diagram that best represents the relationship between the following countries. What's the given? Japan, China, Asia, Indonesia. If you observe, Asia is a continent and remaining 3 are the countries. That is Japan, China, Indonesia are the countries which are in continent of Asia. That is choice 4 will represent the best representative. That is the larger circle is the Asia and the smaller one were Japan, China and Indonesia. The 3 different countries and these 3 were the part of Asia continent. Okay. So choice 4. Now we see the next question. 2 orientations of a dice are shown. The dice can be obtained by folding which of the following option figures along the line. So I gave 2 different positions of a same dice. If you observe, if you compare both the diagrams, 4 is common in both the figures and 4 adjacent. From first figure we can say that 1 and 2 were adjacent, and from second figure what we can say 3 and 5 were adjacent. As we know that for any number there will be 4 adjacent and 1 opposite number. Here for number 4, the 4 adjacents were 1, 2, 3, 5. The opposite number will be 6. So 4 opposite 6, that we can confirm. So either it should be choice 1 or choice 2. In 3 and 4, I am going to get 4 and 6 as a adjacent, which is not possible. So that I can eliminate choice 3 and 4. And If you observe in choice figure 1 and 2 were adjacent. In choice 1, I am going to get 1 and 2 as the opposite, which is not possible. I can eliminate the choice 1 also. So the choice 4 will be the choice after unfolding the two dice. Now see the next question. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark. Now, what's the given numbers? 4, 8, 24, 7, 3, 245, 9, 11 and missing number. If you observe 4 to 8, the logic is twice into 2, and 8 to 24, it is 3. Okay. Now 7 to 35, it is 5 times, and 35 to 245, it is 7 times, and 9 to 11, so 9 to 99, it is 11 times. If you observe numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 were the prime numbers. So next should be the next prime number is 13. So 99 into 13 is 1287. That is choice 3. Now we'll see the next question. The sequence of folding a piece of paper, figure 1, and how the folded paper has been cut in figure 2 is shown in the following figures. Select the option that would be mostly closely resemble the unfolded form of figure 2. Now, so if I unfolded the figure 2, the rhombus will look similar. Okay, and the middle one will be something like a diamond, and the triangle will be just like a mirror image. The right angle will look as a mirror image of that, and the third one is a similar. We are going to get as a similar. So just to the triangle, compare the triangle. It should be in the two different one. In the choice 1, we are getting the same, which is not possible. In choice 2, the triangles are getting a mirror image, but the third one is not in the correct position. The choice 3, yes, the triangles were in opposite. So choice 3 will be the figure when we unfold the figure 2. Choice 2. Thank you, Hope that you have enjoyed the session.